In today's lesson, we continue to study Chinese alphabet. We know that Chinese Pinyin is a combination of initial, final, and tone. This is an overview of initials and finals. In last lesson, we've learned the first 6 finals. Still remember? Let's read one more time. A, wo, I, U, Ü. Now, let's look at the next 6 finals. The first one, let's read with 4 different tones. Repeat after me, please. A, 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 a. For example, la with the initial l and the second tone, la, which means calm. The second one, a. Let's read with 4 different tones. A, 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 a. For example, lay with initial l and the fourth tone, lay, which means tired. The third one, we. Let's read with 4 different tones. Repeat after me, please. We, 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 we. For example, 水, which means water. Next one, or. Let's read with 4 different tones. Or, 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 or. For example, go with initial g and the first tone, go, which means high. Next one, o, 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 o. For example, go with initial g and the third tone, go, which means dog. Next one, you, 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 you. For example, liu with initial l and the fourth tone, which means 6. Okay, let's continue to learn more. Yeah, 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 yeah. For example, 谢. This is how to say thanks in Chinese. 谢谢. Next one, 约. Actually, this final is not very common in Chinese. It's only used for a few characters. For example, 疟, which means malaria. Next, only 3 tones can put on this final. For example, with only tone and final, which means 2. Next, This is a very common final in Chinese. Let's read with 4 different tones. A, 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 a. For example, fan with initial 4 and the 4th tone, which means mew. Next, an. Let's read with 4 different tones. An, 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 an. For example, man with initial more and the 2nd tone, man, which means door. Yin, 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 yin. For example, xin, which means new. Okay, we're nearly there. Let's finish the last few finals. Next one, when, 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 when. For example, Sun, which means grandson. Next one, this is a common final. Read after me, please. Uh, 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 For example, lang with initial le and the 2nd tone, which means wolf. Next, this one is also common. Read after me, please. Um, 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 um. For example, feng with initial 4 and the 1st tone, which means wind. Next, yin. Let's read with 4 different tones. Yin, 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 yin. For example, xing, which means star. The last one, om, wong, 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 wong. For example, dong with initial de and the 1st tone, which means winter. That's all for today. 你学会了吗? See you next time.